He believes that every individual is born unique, special, and a masterpiece, and every child is a genius.
For over 20 years now, Mr. Rafiullah Beg has been working with mediocre children and turned them into champion students. Is this really possible?
Yes, Mr. Beg has spent over 2 decades training children, preparing them to outperform themselves because he believes the real competition is within ourselves.
Well, it's not only children. Mr. Beg has trained individuals from a variety of professional and age background with a powerful tool of handwriting analysis and graphotherapy.
He says, people around want to change their lives but do not know what to change. And that is when he takes them through the journey of self-discovery,
Making them realize that the power to change our lives is within us and not outside us.
A renowned memory expert,
And India's #1 handwriting expert.
Mr. Rafiullah Beg, has been interviewed by India's all leading newspapers.
And featured in many television and radio channels.
Meet this dynamic personality in person
He will take you through an experience
that will change your life forever.
A very happy day to you, dear viewers. Welcome to my show, How to Be a Champion Student. For past 20 years, 2 decades, myself, Rafiullah Beg, have been working to develop the students to become a champion student, a distinction student. I want to take the mediocre students, weak students and dull students and convert them into the champion students, into brilliant students. Is it possible? Yes, it has been possible for me. For last 2 decades, I have interacted with thousands and thousands and thousands of people who have come to me with weak memory and a very bad handwriting and a very poor self-image. Today, they are #1 students. They are champion students and they have got excellent memory recall and they have excellent handwriting. How you can learn this and how you can be the next champion student in this country? Well, this is the show all about. I'm going to reveal the secrets of superpower memory and the secrets of how to have an excellent handwriting and to become a champion student. To be a champion student, it is not important how much you study. I repeat, dear viewers, to be a champion student, it is not important how much you study. But it is very important how much you remember of what you have studied. That is where you get the marks. ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದಿರೋ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. So how to have a memory recall that will help you to remember and write at the same time. This is what you're going to learn in my training program, where I'm going to train you or your kid in developing their memory power and to recall at the right time and write. There are different techniques for different subjects, and the techniques can be used to memorize a particular chapter or to remember a formula or to remember a theorem. This is very, very important for you to know that there are different techniques that your student can learn to help himself or herself in different topics. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಲಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಲಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. Yes, my dear viewers, the linking method is only for theory-based subjects. And the theorems and the formulas can be remembered using mechanical method, judicious method and mnemonic chain methods. There are different methods that we use for different techniques, and ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಅವನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಬಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವನು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪಡಿಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳನೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Dear viewers, this is how the students are going to learn different techniques, and it's going to be so essentially helpful for them to use it in their exams and to score the distinction marks. Now, I would like to introduce my students who have done the program, learned these techniques, and they want to speak to you, they want to display the skills and share with you their success stories. Are you ready to meet up with my students and to interact with them and to know what is the secret of their success?
This Excel workshop is really good. Before joining this Excel workshop, like I had less of confidence. Like I used to not score well, but then I increased in 7%, and my lowest scoring subject was Kannada, and I score high marks in that. And now I've become the assisting group. So it's like I'm encouraged by the people over here, and even you can get encouraged. There are so many techniques which Rafi sir teaches, and it's really very helpful. So you all join Excel workshop and be a champion student. Thank you.
I am Raj Kiran, who is in Excel workshop currently. This is my third day in the Excel workshop, and I have found complete resolution in myself. I have improved a lot in my memory skills, and Rafi sir, our coach, has taught us many things to recall in the examinations. Certain times we are not able to recall things in the examination, but I recommend all to join these classes, and the techniques are very good here. Wish you all the best for your good memory techniques.
Before coming to this Excel workshop, I was very weak in handwriting, memory power, and in studies also. After coming to this workshop, I improved a lot in studies and handwriting and memory power. I thanks to this workshop a lot, and I improved many things in this, and they also taught aerobics and time management. Thank you.
ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ತುಂಬ ಲೇಸಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಡಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸು, ಯಾಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಫಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಥಡು ನನ್ನ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾನಿವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ 75% ತೆಗೆಯೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಭರವಸೆ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್.
Graphotherapy is a scientific method of writing. It will help your child to have a proper approach towards writing, which is scientific, and it will help your child to have a proper grip, maintain a very healthy distance, and to maintain a very comfortable angle of writing. This graphotherapy actually means scientific writing. Grapho is to write and therapy is treatment. This is writing treatment. We treat your child's handwriting to treat his memory and concentration. So by changing his handwriting, by learning graphotherapy, your child is developing his self-esteem, his concentration, and his self-confidence. This is what we do in the graphotherapy course, and your child can be as young as 6 years onwards. ಹೌದು ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುವಿನ ವಯಸ್ಸು 6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದನೇ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫೋಥೆರಪಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಗ್ರಾಫೋಥೆರಪಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಅವನ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ನು, ಅವನ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬಹಳನೇ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
Hi friends, my name is Satyashriji. I am studying in 9th standard D section. My school name is the New Cambridge High School. Before joining this Excel workshop, I had lot of stage fear and my memory was weak. After joining this Excel, my memory has improved a lot. If this could have happened to me, it could have happened to you.
Hi, I am B.S. Kalyan Ventesh. I am studying in 6th standard Carmel School. I am coming in Excel workshop, and I have improved a lot. Lengthy answers are coming so fast that I cannot even expect that I could have been done like this. And now in holidays I can do more better. And after school I am going to be a first sharp working student. And I would wish everyone would also come for Excel and become a champion student and a sharp working student.
Your child needs total personality development. He has to improve not only in his studies but also improve in his entire life. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಡೀ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅವರು. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಕೊಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಬಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಂದು ಹೌ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಮರಿ and how to improve your study skills, how to manage your time, how to develop in the weak subject, how to prepare for exams, how to set and achieve goals, how to speak in public, communication skills. These are the different topics that your child is going to learn. It's a total development of the child's personality, and the child should enjoy the education. The child should learn with a lot of fun, and that is our aim. And I want to tell you something about your kid, dear parents. Your kid is a genius. Yes, I totally believe that your kid is a genius waiting to be untapped. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಮಗುನೂ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳನೇ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಏಮ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ an excellent memory power, a very good handwriting, and a very powerful personality, very positive mind, and a very healthy body. So dear viewers, I look forward to have your kid for this total development and to make a lasting difference in his life.
I'm from Koramangala Center, and I'm here to share my experience being in graphotherapy class and attending Excel workshop. Before joining my graphotherapy course, my handwriting was so shabby. I couldn't understand my own handwriting. It was flying in the air and no neatness, nothing was there in my handwriting. When I started joining the graphotherapy class, I started improving my handwriting level by level. At last, when I finished my level, I was so surprised to see my own handwriting. It was so beautiful, and I'm glad to see my own handwriting, even my friends and my family too. What to tell about my Excel workshop? It was so awesome that we enjoyed a lot and we studied everything. I even got a silver medal in my Excel workshop. I would like to thank Rafi sir and Imran sir for everything. Now I'm so proud to tell that I'm an independent student and I'm so proud of myself. Thank you.
Before joining this course, my handwriting was not nice. After joining this course, my handwriting has improved a lot, and I have improved my concentration, speed, memory, and I mingle with everyone and I'm happy. I thank my parents, course, and this institute for giving me a great opportunity. Thank you.
So dear viewers, thank you for watching my program, How to be a Champion Student, and I look forward to meet up with you with your child. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಬಹಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮ್ಮ SMS-ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ and have a very happy day and a very happy life. Thank you. See you in my center.